Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna free air this 4-inch driver. Came from a Bluetooth speaker called the Wonderboom 2. If you guys can see, it has a similar same as the ones on the Flip 4, but keep in mind though the huge difference between the Wonderboom 2 versus the ones on the Flip 4, which is they look the same, but you guys can see it has a huge inverted holes on the wood coil than the ones on the Flip 4. If you guys can see, let me compare it. You guys can see it has the same thing, but the only difference, it has a smaller holes on the coil, and look at the difference. See? So today, this video, we're gonna do a free air on this 4-inch driver from the Wonderboom 2, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and please enjoy. Hold on, give me a second for the music. My device just shut off. Here we go. Look at that wood coil flexing. Oops. Alright. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and have a nice day. Peace out.